to the channel. Today we're going to do a quick review. We have this Matchbox Ford 2022 F-150 Lightning, number 84 of 100, EV model. Let's get it cracked open and take it for a spin. Right now, this is what I'm thinking about replacing my current F-150 with. That's, well, it'll be 20 years old in February. And, you know, it's been good to me. But I want to switch to an electric vehicle, so I think this is what I'm going to buy next. Let's get it on cracked open and take a closer look. One of the features I like about the new Lightning F-150 the most is the trunk that's in the front. That would be great for putting tools and things in if you're a contractor. I really like that. Plus it has a bunch of plugs, outlets. You could pull up to a job site and not need any electricity and get to work. Yeah, it's really nice. You really can't tell much of a difference in this body style and a regular gasoline model unless you look rather close, but I like it. I like the rounded front end. Everything I've seen about them online, they look pretty promising. I'll probably try to get on the list to get one next year. I'm trying to get 20 years out of my current truck. Only got 5 more months to go. That's very nice. This is one of the most powerful F-150s ever made, and it's all electric. Wow, looks really good. Like the headlights, all the emblems, nice wheel choice. Let's get it on the turntable. The 2022 Ford Lightning by Matchbox in stores now, also available on eBay. Don't forget to check out my eBay store if you want to help support the channel. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Hope you are doing well. Stay safe, and I will be talking to you soon.